Over the past year, homeowners like you gained an average of $20,000 in equity. Let me tell you just a few ways your equity can make a big difference in your life. Did you know you can use your home equity to buy a home that's just right for you? If you need more space, your equity can fuel your move into a bigger house. And if your current home is too big, you can use that equity to downsize to one that fits better. Don't feel like moving right away? You can use your equity to reinvest in your current home and make it even better. Team up with a trusted agent to figure out which home improvements to focus on. That way, if you ever decide to sell, you'll get the most value back from your investment. And lastly, you can use it to pursue your own goals, like retiring, starting a business, or paying for an education. If you're wondering how much your home equity you might have, let's connect. I'll create a professional equity assessment report to help you understand what you're working with. Then we can come up with a plan for your next steps.